Become a Viator affiliate. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video, I'll show you how to start earning commissions promoting travel experiences. If you want to start right now, use the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the sign-up page. Viator is one of the largest tourism platforms in the world. On Viator, people book tours, activities, attractions, and travel experiences in hundreds of destinations. The easiest way to become a Viator affiliate is through the Travel Payouts affiliate network. Again, if you want to create your account, use the verified and safe link in the description and pinned comment to register. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliadues.com, where I explain how these programs work. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Viator affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links to promote tours and travel experiences from Viator. Every time someone books through your affiliate link, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting tourism offers and earning commissions online, click the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment and create your affiliate account.